Today topic is how to create IAM user groups in AWS. So we are going to be create user groups today. So click on user groups. Once you click on user groups, it will be open like this, and you can see we don't have any groups. If you have already created some groups, it is going to be display here. Now we have not created any groups so far. So we are going to be create one new user group. Just click on create group. So give the group name, provide the username, user group name here. I'm just providing Subhas. I just provide the name, my Subhas. And if you want to add any users to this group, you can add it. I already created one user. I can add for this group, or if I want to add later also, I can add later also for these users. So what I can do, I'm not going to be adding here. So I'm going to be add users after the creation of the group. So next one would be the attach the permissions policies. I need to add the permissions for this group. So I have to add some permissions. I'm just adding the permissions for the EC2 instance. Now what I need to add here, you can see there are two permissions here. I just add the full access Amazon EC2 full access and Amazon EC2 read only access. I'm just giving the two permissions, and these are the two policies for these groups. Then create the group. Once you click on the create group, it is going to be create group. You can see here the group has been created now, and permissions also defined, and creation time it's a now. Uh, do we have any users for this group? No, so far we didn't have any users. So now we are going to be create users and will add users into this group. So just click on this group. We can see the details of this group. Now this is the how many users are there. So far we don't have any user. We are going to be added, and permissions and access advisor. So what are the permissions which we are having? There are the two permissions we are assigned. And if you want to add more permissions also, you can click on add permissions and add more permissions here. Click on attach and just click on administration access, attach the policies. It is going to be attached now. Now we will see how to create the users and add to this group. So I want to create the new user here. Just give the username Subhas SSR software trainings. SSR software trainings, and just click on next. So here you can see we already created one group. Just select this group. It is going to be allocate this user to that group. Now create the user. Now we can see here there are the two users are there for the SSR software trainings. Just go to the user groups. You can click on the Subhas. Earlier we have seen, right, we don't have any users. Now we can see there is one user. Just click on here. We can see that what is that user. You can see here SSR software training user has been created and allocated to this group. So this is how we have to create the user groups and add the users to the group. If you have any questions, any doubts, clarifications required, just keep your questions in the comment box so that I can reply that. If anyone not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.